Hello everyone, welcome to WTG. This is Evan. How is everything okay?
Oh, I'm fine. I'm interested in this. Can you introduce?
Yes, of course. This is 2-inch LED backlight.
Oh, that's great. What is the material?
The material is plastic. See,
Oh, good. What color can you provide?
we can make clear, amber, red, and so on color. The cell color and the inside color also can make this color.
Okay, good. What is the warranty?
The warranty is 1 year.
Oh, good.
That's all. Thank you. Bye.